Welcome to my channel Old Gold Coins. Today videos is one you won't miss. We're diving into the world of coins, so let's get it started. Asterisk: the 1969 Australian 1-cent coin is a historically significant piece of Australia's decimal currency, which was introduced in 1966 to replace the pounds, shillings and pence system. This small copper coin represents the early years of that transition and features the regal image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. The portrait was sculpted by Arnold McKean, a British artist whose effigy of the Queen was widely used across many Commonwealth nations. In the design, the Queen is depicted wearing a tiara facing to the right, surrounded by the inscriptions Elizabeth II on the left side and Australia 1969 on the right. This design captures Australia's constitutional link to the British Crown during the 20th century and is a part of the country's post-colonial numismatic tradition. Asterisk: the coin is made from bronze, an alloy consisting of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin, giving it a reddish appearance which over time may turn darker or develop patina due to environmental exposure. It has a diameter of 17.65 millimeters, a weight of 2.59 grams, and a plain edge. The reverse side, not visible in your image, features a beautiful and intricate design by Stuart Devlin, showcasing a feathertail glider, a tiny Australian marsupial capable of gliding through the air. The glider is wrapped in a circular pose, with great detail in its fur and tail, symbolizing Australia's unique and diverse wildlife. The denomination 1 cent is also shown on the reverse in bold letters. Asterisk: in 1969, over 110 million of these coins were minted by the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, which makes it one of the more common dates in the 1 cent series. This high mintage means that circulated examples are usually of low collective value, often worth around 10 cents to $1 AUD, depending on condition. However, coins in uncirculated UNC or mint state MS condition, those that have never been used in commerce and show no signs of wear, are more sought after. A professionally graded MS-65 or higher example can fetch higher prices from collectors, especially if the coin has an attractive original luster and no major blemishes. Asterisk: the 1 cent coin remained in circulation until 1992, when it was officially withdrawn due to rising production costs and inflation that rendered it impractical for daily use. Despite this, the coin continues to be legal tender and is widely collected today as a symbol of Australian heritage in early decimal coinage, for new and seasoned collectors alike. The 1969 1 cent coin is both affordable and historically meaningful. Its design elements, royal portraiture on one side and unique native fauna on the other, reflect the dual influences that shaped Australia's cultural and political identity during the late 20th century. Collecting these coins provides insight not only into numismatic history but also into broader themes of art, economy, and national identity in Australia. Asterisk: